Now experience Brighton's finest while staying at the comfiest place in the heart of the city. Introducing Alumno Falmer, a student accommodation offering more than what you thought you need. Choose between the contemporary, fully furnished shared flats and studios that the property offers and make the most of your new student life in Brighton. Chill in the cozy lounge area when you're in the mood to socialize with your neighbors. You can relax in the large, beautiful garden area with its crispy, dewy green grass. Sense the flower fairies tickling your feet. With excellent facilities like a secure premise, contents insurance included, plus a high-speed Wi-Fi, all you got to do is sit back and enjoy Brighton's best. If you love your sleep, you're going to get lucky with getting those extra snoozes in the morning. Since the University of Brighton's Falmer campus and the University of Sussex are only a few minutes away from the accommodation, with the Falmer train station being a stone's throw away, and with all of Brighton's beautiful beaches and city center only a few minutes away, your friends won't stop talking about your summer tan. This property seems to be checking all the right boxes. Your new home is at your fingertips. Visit amberstudent.com to get started.